First of all, open x.com or Twitter and then make sure to sign into your account. Now in this left hand menu, just click on more and click on jobs. And then in this keyword box, you have to add keywords you are interested in. For example, I'm adding here virtual assistant, and in this location box you can go ahead and add preferred locations and just click on search. And then in this left hand menu here, you will find all available jobs that matches with your keyword and location. Now go ahead and open a job from here, and here you can see the job descriptions now. And after reading the job description, if you want to apply, just click on apply now. And then you will be redirected to the job link, and from there you can easily apply for the job. So this is how we can find and apply Twitter job.